this
I
say?
think he's playing on burgers right now.
Radoos.
What's that say?
Two ducks.
2 ducks. And then
Big cows.
3 clouds.
Blue bus.
4 friends. What's this say?
Virus.
5 flowers.
Wow.
This big.
6 feet.
Right.
Right. What's that say?
The baby.
7 berries.
Berries.
And this is his favorite. Jack, what's this one say?
8 ice.
8 eyes. And then,
The
what's this one say? What's that say? 9
bus.
footprints. Right. 9 footprints. And this one? What's this say?
The butterfly.
10 butterflies.
Wow.
Yay!
Yay.
Isn't that so good?
Good job, Jack. That's very impressive.
What's the name of this book?
1, 2, 3.
Yay!